Greetings all, and here's a quick look at the only really sort of full day I spent during the Songkran celebrations. Into the city and a look at the parade. Hope you like it.
Well, here I am, all kitted out for the Songkran dousing. Not far off 2 kilometres, I'm at Superhighway 11 and I'm passing the checkpoints, the don't drink and drive checkpoints. Here it looks like they're all prepared in case somebody has an accident, and over here there's the checkpoint and everything. Oh, and the other thing is, no water as yet. So here's hoping. 2.6 kilometres, and I'm passing what may well be my first splattering of water. Sawadee ka! Sawadee P9! No, coffee cup! Nice try, coffee cup! I am remarkably good at getting to the crossing when there's a train coming. 5 kilometres, and I've just taken the phone out of the leather case, put that in the dry bag, because I think that was very advisable. Well, that was a good decision. I am not unexpectedly soaked, and I think I've been doused with some powder as well. They've had some ice in that water as well. Earth is going to happen here. Happy New Year! Cap. Hope will be a peaceful haven, and the water being over for the day.